Hello and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing, where today we're stepping right onto the fields of Waterloo, in 54mm. Today's kit is the Black Watch, the 42nd Highlander, representing one of the three Highland regiments that fought in 1815, alongside the 79th Cameron Highlanders and the 92nd Gordon Highlanders. This boxing dates from 1991 and straight away you can feel that vintage Airfix charm. Classic artwork, bold and dramatic in that unmistakable style. It's not just a model, it's a snapshot of how these kits used to be presented. Inside, things are refreshingly simple, not a whole lot of sprues here, just a handful of parts in white plastic. This is a proper old school figure kit, no overcomplication, just the essentials. The moulding actually looks pretty decent for its age, although you likely need a bit of cleanup with some seam lines here and there, but nothing unexpected. And while we're here, let us know down in the comments, would you want to see this scale or this kind of figure return to the range? The instructions are that classic exploded view style, simple and easy to follow. The build itself looks very straightforward, but that's not really where the challenge lies. Because with a kit like this, it's all about the painting. Getting that tartan right, picking out all the uniform details, adding depth and shading, that's where the figure really comes to life. It's less about construction and more about craftsmanship. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this one, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next Retro Unboxing.